Hello everyone, I am Yuki. Welcome back to my channel. Today, from my experience, I will introduce the soft plastics color that the smallmouth bass can catch well. First of all, the color is a deep red color called Scappanon.
You may not have heard much about the color Scappanon. However, it is one of the popular colors of soft plastics in Japan. Scappanon would be the color produced by most Japanese manufacturers of soft plastics. Another name is cork. I don't know the real reason, but it works well in clear water in sunny weather. However, although it is a color using red, it does not imitate a crayfish. Instead of matched hatch, smallmouth bass is just reacting to something red. According to fishery biologists, the visible color vision of bass includes cone cells that can recognize green and red. For that reason, in my opinion, when you can't catch the bass as you want with the popular green pumpkin color in any body of water, I believe it was experimenting with the opposite red-colored soft plastics. However, this color is most effective for bottom rigs such as Texas rigs, Carolina rigs, free rigs, and nickel rigs.
よし、来ました。よし、引くやつ。これちょっと飲まれちゃったんですけど、フォロースティック。はい、フォロースティックのネゴリグ。フォロースティックネゴリグで。はい、2本目来ました。ネゴリグ、スカッパのネゴリグで、はい、黒いやつ。
ルアーがゲイリーのタイニーイカ。で、これでした。ちっちゃいやつ。タイニーイカでした。はい。はい、ちょっとサイズアップでした。タイニーイカでした。ちょっとちっちゃいやつでもシザーコームの 2.5 ね、これで
と同じぐらい、ちょっと黒いやつ、シザーコーム 2.5 野池赤虫、ちょっとちっちゃいやつ、これワンナップシャット2インチ、これがスカッパノン、これワンナップシャット2インチのスカッパノンでした。 By the way, another often overlooked color that the smallmouth bass prefer is the solid black color. Many of the bass you saw in my video right now were currently caught in sunny conditions. Try Scappanon color soft plastics for bass fishing on your home lake. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Please subscribe today and let us know what you think of watching the video in the comment section. Please wait for the next update.